Hi everybody, this is Kathy from Kathy's Creative Craft Corner and more here on YouTube, and welcome back to our channel. Oh my goodness, sorry you guys, it's late at night, my family's asleep, so I hope I sound loud enough, and if I don't, I do apologize. I will leave a note up here saying that I do apologize if my voice is low. Again, like I said, I am opening this box, and this box comes from Mariann's Craft Corner, and we had done a Secret Santa swap. Me and Tree had hosted a Secret Santa swap, and basically what it was is we created a pocket envelope, or yeah, loaded envelope, I'm sorry, a loaded envelope, and we were supposed to create one. We did not know who it was going to go to. I drew names once everybody had created their projects, and I drew names, and it was a domino effect, so nobody got let's say if Tree picked me, I didn't give to her, so it's a domino effect. So Mariann was gifting me, and I believe I gifted Angelica from Crafty's Creative Corner. Oh my gosh. So anyways, so it actually took about 3 weeks for this package to get to my home. I was tracking the package and it got lost, and well, you guys know that due to the holidays, mail was running late, so it took about 3 weeks or 4 weeks, 3 weeks, or was it 4, for this to get to my house. So I am finally opening it. I am finally home, so let's go ahead and see what we got. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Mariann is such a very, very creative person. Actually, right now she is having a challenge giveaway, so go over, check it out. I will link her down in the description below. It is an embellishment box, so it's about, I think you do 2, and all the details will be on her page, so I will link that challenge down on the description below. So let's go ahead and see what I got. Okay, OMG. So we were supposed to create 3 to 5 handmade embellishments, and extra goodies that were supposed to fit in a bubble mailer. What is it? Oh my gosh, the postal bubble mailer. That's a flat rate, so we were supposed to fit that, and that loaded envelope, or loaded envelope in that. And yeah, Mariann sent me a box, which she was not supposed to do a box, but it's okay, Mariann. So let's go ahead and see what she sent. Oh my goodness, OMG. Oh my goodness, this is so beautiful. So my loaded envelope was not this big, and let me go ahead and just pull this out. Oh, how cute. I think that's it. So again, I do apologize if my voice is a little too low. So, oh my goodness, this is so cute. I think this one goes here. I think it just fell off, so I will put that back in here. I'm assuming this is where it came from. Let's go ahead and see. Oh my goodness. So there you go. And there you go. So look at how cute, you guys. So let me see if I could put you guys in a little bit more, so you guys could get more of the detail. And oh my gosh, this is a sled, and it's a shaker sled, and it has like the snowman in there, if you guys can see that. Let me see if I could, oh, I don't want to drop it. You guys see that? Oh my goodness, it has snowman, it has the snowflakes, oh my gosh, stars. Oh, how cute. Look at how this is cute. And then she put this Rudolph this way, and oh, that's so cute. And she made it's funny because me and her actually did a swap, a snow and cocoa swap on August, and we're supposed to do another swap for Valentine's Day. So oh my goodness, so I'm so excited. Her creations are just amazing and adorable. So let's go ahead and see this right here. I believe this is her card. Isn't that cute? Oh my gosh, look at, oh, I love it. Look at it. It's like a 3D effect. This is adorable. Let me see. Oh, thank you. So this is so cute. I love it. Oh my gosh. So this is a card, and let's go ahead and see. OMG, are these? Oh my goodness. So look at you guys. Oh my goodness. These are so cute. So anyways, I know she has been making her little what is it called? Like resin? I know they're not resin, but they're like the little, she has the mold and she puts the clay in there, and look at how cute. This is so cute. So I believe that's what this is. I don't want to like smash it. Oh my gosh. And look at this cute little tag pocket. It's Santa. Oh, how cute. I like it. And this was in here. And I am going to be very careful. That is so cute. Look at you guys. Oh my goodness. Anyway, so let's go ahead and see. Oh, and then Rudolph's bears. I think these are like, oh, these are so cute. Look at the Rudolph. Oh my goodness. Oh, I think these are candy. They should be candy. Okay, Miriam, let me know if these are candy before I pop them in my mouth. I probably will try it like in a minute or so. So, oh my goodness. Look at these bows. Oh my goodness, she created some cute bows. I love how they came out. Oh my goodness. Oh, they are so cute. Oh my god. So I love this idea that we created, not knowing who we're going to create for, because it just, you know, our minds are just free, and we're not creating for a specific person. We're basically creating our likes. So oh my goodness, so I love everything that she made. Look at these are envelopes with the little star in the middle, and there's a poinsettia, and there's like a little flag, two flags right here. That is so creative. I love the two flag, or the flags that are right here. And then she put Merry Christmas and Merry Christmas right here. Oh my goodness. And then this is vellum with, and she put the stickers on here. That is so cute. And look, oh my goodness. I wanted to make a wand for mine, and I just didn't get the time or the chance to make it. And this is so cute. I love it. So this is a peppermint candy, and then the Christmas here, and then she put these DT bows here, and then she put some bows or ribbon on here, and this is eyelash trim and her rosette. Oh my goodness, you guys, I am like so lost. I haven't made videos in a few weeks, so I'm a little lost, you guys. And oh my gosh, and this is a snowflake in the bag, and there is her straw. Oh my god, this is so cute. Oh my god, let me see if I can put it a little bit more down so you guys could see. Isn't that cute? Oh my goodness, that is really cute. So let me go ahead and put that here. And then she did this, and this is, oh, I love these puffy stickers, and she put some puffy stickers up here, and she put Merry Christmas, and then she put a flat, what is that, flat pearl here, and let me see, oh my goodness. Oh, how cute. And then she put a pencil with this eraser. How creative. I love it. So I'm gonna have like writing, and that's gonna be shaking, so that's gonna be fun. That is gonna be so fun to do that. I love to do that. I used to love doing that when I was a little girl. And then oh, she made some more bows, and I love this. This is so cute. This is so creative. This is a snowman, and then there's a hat right there, and then she put bling on here, and then this is a cat right here, and this is the Santa. Oh, how cute. And then she put a little Santa hat there, and then the belt right there. It is really, really cute. Oh my goodness. And let's see, and then she gifted me a big snowflake. I love it. It's really heavy, you guys, like really heavy. Oh my goodness. Is it layered upon layer? No, it's just a really heavy snowflake. I love it. And then I got more of her poinsettias. Oh my goodness, these are so adorable. She on the Snow and Cocoa, I got the pink ones and the green ones, and oh my goodness. And I love how she did these. She went ahead and did some diamond dust on the edging. And then she put this little cute little balls, and these are the ones from, I want to say these are the ones from DT. I could not find the gold ones. I found the red ones, but not the gold ones, but that's okay. And then I she put vellum here, vellum, and this is the star vellums. Oh, how cute. And then she went ahead and put some oh my god, sequins right there. And I love this little cute bow. That is such a cute bow. I think this is a die. That is so cute. And then oh, there's more stuff in here. And look at you guys, this is cute. So this is her box. Oh, she made a box. Okay, so she made a box, and oh, I can't fold it, but it's okay. I love it. Oh my goodness, and look at it, it's a shaker. Oh, how cute. And then she put this dangle right here. And that's, oh, sorry you guys, I'm trying to look at it. How cute. I love how she did this. I tell you guys, she is so creative. I love her creations. And then, sorry you guys, I just like threw everything out. And look at these. I love these banners. Oh my goodness. And then she put the little Santas right here. How cute. And then she actually did an eyelet right there. She went ahead and did a oh my goodness, she put a lot of layers. They're really thin, but they're so layered up. It is so cute. So on the background there's oh my gosh, there's a candy cane stripe, and then there on top of it there is oh my gosh, what is that called? Oh my gosh, the knitting, oh my goodness you guys, I do apologize. And then she did the flag right here, and then she put another one on top of that one, and then she put the little sticker right here, and then the Merry Christmas and the Santa, and then she did an eyelet, and then she did a tassel there, and she did the same effect on of them but different stickers. And oh, these are so cute. I love them. Thank you, Mariann. And then she sent me some candy. It's a peppermint lollipop tree. And then she sent me these cute Santa hats. And then she also sent me this sweet candy cane mud mask. These are so cute. And let's see, then she sent me a tea towel. So I am gonna go ahead and open this. Oh my goodness, if I can open it. Looks like there's a I wouldn't say candy cane, it's a stocking right here. So let's go ahead and see. Oh, this is so cute. Look at you guys. Oh, Mariann, I just love swapping with you. You are amazing. You are creative. And oh, that is so cute. And that is it. Anyways, thank you everybody for taking the time to watch. And I will be uploading more videos. And then, if you guys don't know Mariann, I will link her down on the description below. Go over, check her channel out. And like I said, she is a very creative, talented creator. Please go over, join her challenge giveaway. My gosh, you guys will be amazed with her creations. And thank you everybody for taking the time to watch, and we'll see you guys in our next video. Bye for now.